Hello everyone, and today we'll be taking a look at the HyperX Cloud Alpha Pro gaming headphone. This video is brought to you by FSP Power Supplies. FSP is one of the leading manufacturers of power supplies in the world. They are proven to be one of the most reliable power supply manufacturers in the world also. So we have a few links in the description. Take a look to learn more about FSP products. Alright, so HyperX is, if you might know, they are made by Kingston, which isn't mentioned anywhere, which is good, I guess. You don't want a memory manufacturer making your headphones, I guess. Anyway, Cloud Alpha, this is targeted at pro gamers, so it's a pro gaming headset. Nothing much here, a few features, custom designed dual chamber drivers, so it has like an additional chamber to give you extra bass or something. Comfort, detachable cables, which is always nice. 2-year warranty and official headset of professionals. So they actually sponsor like a bunch of teams and they give out these for free. And yeah, at the back you get like a few more features: signature memory foam, a big picture, another big picture of the headphone. Like every side has a picture of the headphone. Durable aluminum frame, detachable mic, and nothing much. So let's take a look at the packaging itself. Oh, actually, one more thing that needs to mention: PC, PS4, Xbox One, Mac, mobile, Nintendo Switch, and VR. I didn't know VR was a platform, but apparently it supports VR as well. Like if it supports PC, it's supposed to be compatible with VR, like whatever. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Very nice package. I'm quite impressed with the packaging of this. So that can discard. So that is what it looks like in internal package. That's what your headphone looks like in the package. So let's take this out. So unlike certain headphone brands, which I shall not name right now, it's very easy to take out of the box. So I get the headphone. Get the mic that's detachable. You get like some documents from. It's actually quite nice. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. I dropped something. It's something very similar. Quick start guide and nothing much else. What does this have? It comes with a couple of cables, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, comes with a couple of cables. Let's run out for now. It comes with a carrying pouch, which is, it is a tournament pro grade headphone, so you'd want to take it to like tournaments and stuff. So you drop that in there, and yeah, you can put your mic in and plug in the cable. I'm trying to be a typical gamer. Do not take care of your stuff. There you go. So that's fairly easy, and it fits, and you can like chuck that in your bag with minimal chance of damaging your stuff. Anyway, let's take a close look at the headphone itself. So before we get to the headset itself, it comes with 2 cables. So that is what you get for your PC, the standard pink and green cables. That doesn't go into your headphone. That goes into the second cable, which is your mobile connector. So that's your mobile connector or your console connector. So that has a combined jack. This goes into your headphone. This is the cable that has your inline control. So your controls are inline. So while you're using the headphone, you don't need to like rope around on your headphone for controls. It has a mute button as well, which is quite nice. So let's just see how this goes. It's very conveniently marked. There's a headphone marked there. So that side goes into your headphone. There's no locking mechanism though, which is a good and a bad thing, because like there's a chance if you tug it hard it'll come out, but that also means it comes out without breaking your cable. Like I think what was this brand? I think Sennheiser, or one of the audiophile brands, Sennheiser, Audio-Technica, they had like a small locking mechanism, which is nice for your cable to not fall off, but there's also a chance of damaging your cable in the process. Leave this aside for now. Mic is pretty straightforward, so it plugs in there. Weight, it's not the heaviest, not the lightest either, so fairly good weight. As for the expansion mechanism, that this part is made of the red part. You see that it's an aluminium frame, and that is like a soft touch leather, so it's very high quality, very nice stitching, if you guys can see. Nice HyperX branding up there. And this part, now this is generally a concern when it comes to this design, headphones with this design, but that cable there, that is a braided cable, so that feels quite sturdy, and I feel there's very little chance of you twisting it and breaking it, so it's quite sturdy. For the main part of the headphone, the main feature here are these ear pads. They're extremely soft, extremely smooth, and extremely comfortable. I've tried this on before, so they're also replaceable, and they come with memory foam pads in there. So once you start using it for a while, they will essentially the expansion is quite easy. Once you start using it for a while, they'll nicely set on your head, and they'll it's memory foam, so it will mold itself around your ears. It's extremely comfortable. This is easily the most comfortable headset that I've used. So what does this go against? So this is I would say like the main competitor here is like the Logitech G Pro headset, which is also in the similar price range. And if you want to look at other alternatives around the same price, you can. This is a stereo headset, by the way, so there's no 7.1, there's no USB DAC inbuilt, so you'll need to use this off your own sound card or your onboard audio. If you're going for a slightly high-end headset, this is a 21,000 rupee headset. We generally recommend getting a decent sound card so that you get the best out of your headset as well. So for the same price, you can get a HyperX Cloud 2, which comes with a inbuilt sound card, but it doesn't have like the dual chamber design. It looks very similar. It's gray instead of red, and the pads are also slightly different. It doesn't come with the memory foam as far as I know. Other alternatives, something like a G633. So that's essentially our unboxing and brief overview of the HyperX Cloud Alpha headset. So if you like this video, please like it. Please comment anything that you would like to know about this headset, or any other products that we have, or any other recommendation that you like. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments. So before we go, I'd like to thank Digital Ear for providing us with all our audio recording equipment. They deal in all kinds of high-end audio solutions, speakers, what else, headphones, and all kinds of high-end stuff that you would not imagine. You can drop by. They're in the same location as us, number 21 Joseph Lane. They have a bunch of awesome high-end stuff up for demo, so you can come try them out yourself. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll meet another day with another video.